Can't believe it, can you?
Told you.
Nice.
Yes, Mum, what do I silly old one like? All I ever do is oh dear.
What's the matter?
I tell you what, Mum, how about we just turn around here and then go to the train? From here to the light. Come on, Mum.
No. Is that what Daddy does?
You try.
No.
There's another one down here.
Now I'll move over for you so you can see. See better?
Yes.
There's another one down here.
Well, I can't see the light, so it might not be better yet.
There's another one down here.
Go, go, go!
I am doing my best, Lee. I'm not good at this, but Daddy's much better at this than me.
Hey, are you looking, Violet?
Yeah.
Or maybe I'm going to that little gap. Oh, look, Mum.
I can't do that easily.
Oh, yeah, 'cause there's a car. What up?
No noise at this one either, Lee.
I know that. How about we just turn into Astley?
No, we're going to get dinner after this.
Oh, you try to throw up the
Alright?
I couldn't see it.
Well, I'm very sorry.
I know.
Just see if there's a video of a train. I said I wanted a video of the train.
No.